Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Welcome to Explore and Restore Madeira. Sit up tall, find your breath, feel your shoulders soften as the sun kisses your skin. Breathe in the ocean air, exhale and release anything that is heavy and no longer serving you. Explore and Restore is more than a yoga retreat. It is an opportunity to connect to your heart center. From this place inside, you're able to create meaningful friendships, connect to your deepest desires through life-affirming workshops, and explore a beautiful countryside full of amazing people. Through the daily yoga practices and thoughtfully planned excursions, each experience will help restore your mind, body, and spirit. Reconnect to Mother Earth while on incredible hikes through epic natural landscapes. The beauty that surrounds you allows you to step away from your everyday routine to remember what you've always known to be true. An abundance of love and light is within you. Explore and Restore is not just a physical practice, but a spiritual connection to your heart and your truest nature. This is an invitation to say yes to yourself, to be present to whatever you're feeling, to meet yourself where you are with unconditional love and acceptance. Get out of your head and into your body. A connection of movement to breath. A powerful practice that creates energy and fuels your body and mind to explore the island of Madeira.